Welcome to Stormwater Drainage Solutions. So this is going to be a short follow-up video on a dry well installation that we did a while back. I was over at this property assessing some additional work, and I decided to go ahead and take a look at the system and see how everything was holding up and get some video for you guys. So a little backstory on this project. This was a very budget-oriented job. The client was on a tight budget, so we did everything we could to work with their budget. The NDS flow well and the pump, those both were provided to us by the client. And the pipe, we decided to go with HDPE triple wall drainage pipe because it is a very budget-friendly pipe, and the run was not very long. The drainage run was roughly 20 to 25 feet of pipe, and it consists of 2 downspout drains that connect into it, and then the pipe connects into the dry well. Now, for this particular install, we did not use leaf filter cleanouts on these downspouts. The reason we didn't use them is because the gutters themselves have leaf guards at the top, so that's going to keep pretty much all the debris out. And like I've already stated, this was a budget-friendly install, so leaving those leaf filter cleanouts off helped save on cost. Now, the pump is a pigtail float pump, and we typically don't recommend pigtail float pumps just because they can have a tendency to get hung up on the side of a sump pump basin, or if debris does get in there, a lot of sticks and leaves, those pigtail float pumps sometimes don't want to rise up with the water and they can get stuck and hung up. So we usually always recommend using a pump with a bobber float on it, and specifically one that has a bar around the top to help keep the debris off of it so that bobber can always function. But regardless, you still have to always make sure that you are maintaining your sump pump basin, and you want to try to limit any type of debris from getting in there so that you don't have issues. Now, for this particular install, we elevated the NDS flow well with a couple of cinder blocks, and we also sat the pump on a cinder block. We then filled the bottom of this entire NDS flow well with large drainage stone, and we filled around the sides as well. That way it increases the holding capacity of the water. Now, the pump itself is ran into an existing Schedule 40 PVC drain line that was already on the property. We went ahead and we wired that in. Now, I will also link the entire install of this video in the description below if you are interested in watching that. And I will also link some videos on HDPE triple wall drainage pipe in case you are interested in that type of drainage pipe. But all in all, the system looks to be holding up just fine. If you enjoyed this video and you gained some knowledge or value out of watching it, give us a thumbs up. It really supports us. It supports the channel. If you need drainage work in the Tampa Bay area, any kind of exterior yard drainage work, whether it's French drains, downspout drains, channel drains, sump pump basins, dry wells, give us a call at 813-614-3456. We can come out there, assess the situation, and build a system that fits your needs. And until next time, this is SWDS signing off.